Hello and welcome to Property Reviews by IndiaProperty.com, the best place to buy new property. In this segment, we will review Alekhya Towers, which is situated in LB Nagar, right on the main road. The project is almost completed. Let us see how the project looks like. Alekhya Towers is coming up on an area of close to 2 acres. It will have a total of 14 towers having G plus 12 floors. There will be a total of 182 flats of the type 1, 2 and 3 BHK. The area of these flats will range from 1075 to 1900 square feet. The project is all set and the builder is offering flats at a rate of Rs 3000 a square feet. This is a 3 BHK sample flat at Alekhya Towers. This flat has a total area of about 1625 square feet. As you enter the flat, there is a cute drawing area having dimensions of close to 12 feet by 11 feet. Moving slightly ahead from the drawing area is a huge dining area which has dimensions of about 15 feet by 11 feet. There is enough space not only to put your dining table but also to have a proper seating arrangement for your guests. The complete apartment will have vitrified tiling work. The dining area also has an attached bathroom to it. Adjoining the dining area is the kitchen. Let us see how the kitchen looks like. The kitchen at Alekhya Towers has dimensions of about 12 feet by 8 feet. The builder will provide you with a granite platform top and a stainless steel sink. Though there will be ample space to put in your modular cupboard and your electrical equipment. You can also make the walls beautiful by making a new tile. The kitchen also has a 4 feet wide utility area attached to it. This is the master bedroom and has dimensions of close to 15 feet by 11 feet. Ample space to place in a huge bed along with a dressing table as well as large cupboards along with the lofts. The master bedroom also has an attached bathroom to it. The builder will also provide with a 4 feet wide balcony in the master bedroom from 3rd floor onwards. How about a bunker bed in your kids' bedroom? The kids' bedroom of this apartment has dimensions of about 11 feet by 10 feet. Good enough to place these beds along with a study table and huge cupboards. Adjoining the dining area is the guest bedroom. This bedroom has dimensions of about 15 feet by 10 feet. There is ample space not only to place a queen size bed but also to have a study table as well as huge cupboards in place. The guest bedroom also has an attached bathroom to it. There also will be a lot of amenities like a badminton court, a jogging track, a meditation center, a yoga room, a huge banquet hall. This society will also have the facility of rainwater harvesting. Alekhya Towers has nearby amenities like Kaminayani Hospital, Global Hospital, Akshara International School, TKR Engineering College. For shopping, there are malls like Big Bazaar. Alekhya Towers seems to be a decent society and the best part is the pricing. I'm sure the review was quite insightful to you. Looking for any sort of property, residential, commercial, land or farmhouse, India Property has it all. For more details, log on to IndiaProperty.com.